klas, kom ons kyk na hierdie twee reekse. We need to determine the sum of these two series, and what you can see over here is you can't recognize an arithmetic or geometric series in this one. It's a very funny one. But if you look nearby, you can see that this is actually two series. Two series, the one that's alternating, because here we've got a geometric one, and the one at the top is an arithmetic one. So if I can now just simply tear these apart, then I can work out the sum that's being asked. So the question here is, there's 20 terms in total. The question is determine the sum of the first 20 terms and rounded 4 decimal places. So when there's 20 terms in total, it means there's going to be 10 of this arithmetic sequence where d equals 4, and 10 of this geometric one where r equals a half. So I'm going to use two formulas, sum of formulas, and the one is going to be for 10 terms, and that's going to be the arithmetic one, 2a plus n minus 1d. I'm going to insert everything that I know, the sum of the first 10, and that's going to be 10 terms then. The first term of that one is going to be 1. And it's going to be 9d, and I've determined d to be 4. And now I can get the sum of that. It's 5 times 2, 9 times 4, 36, 38. That gives us 5 times 38. That gives us 190. 190. And if we determine the sum of the first 10 terms of this geometric one, dit is 'n meetkundige enetjie, so hy gaan wees a 1 minus r to the mag n op 1 minus r, so dit gaan wees, first term is going to be half, and it's 1 minus, and we see that we multiply it with a half all the time, so it's going to be half to the power of n, that's 10, on 1 minus a half gives you a half, and the sum of that is going to be 1023 on 1024, and if you add it, you're going to get the sum of the first 20 terms, en die vraag was 4 plekke afgerond, so as jy dit op jou sakrekenaar gaan insit, dan kry jy 1909990, 4 plekke afgerond. Ons gaan kyk na daai ouetjie. Again, it's you won't be able to see a pattern over there, so you're going to take them apart. We've got 3, 9, 15, 21, and then we go up to 597, and then we've got this one that's constant. Ons gaan nou sien wat vra hulle vir ons in that one. The question over there, bereken die som van die reeks, en hulle het 'n eindigende term, en hulle sê nie vir ons hoeveel terme is daar nie. So the first thing I need to calculate is I need to calculate how many terms are there. So I'm going to determine what's the position of the last term. So I'm going to start with Tn, and I'm going to use this arithmetic one. So I'm going to use that one, and then I will know what's the position of that one in the arithmetic series. So it's A plus N minus 1D. So A en daai ouetjie is 3 plus en dan het ek N minus 1 en ek kan sien dat ek 3 plus 6, 9 plus 6, so D is 6. So I've got the last term is 597. So it's 3 plus 6N minus 6 of 597 and 6N is then minus 3, so it's plus 3, therefore N equals 100. So ek weet dat hierdie ouetjie in die 100ste posisie staan, maar onthou dit is dan net in hierdie reeks. Met ander woorde, daar gaan 100 terme van hierdie wees en dan van die 2's gaan daar 99 wees, want ons kan sien dat die 2 is in die tweede posisie, begin hy eers en hy eindig daar's voor my 100ste term, so daar gaan net 99 van hulle wees. So 99 van 2's is gelyk aan 108. So now we can determine the sum of this arithmetic sequence. There's 100. So there's 100 of them. 100 divided by 2. My eerste term is 3. Plus N min 1. So dis dan 99. En ons het gesien ons D-waarde was 6. So as ons daai som van gaan uitwerk, dan kry ons die waarde van 30,000. And if we add the two, then we get the sum of 199 terms, and that's going to be 30,108 in total. Good. We'll do a next example just now.